Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shayan and in this video tutorial, I will teach you how to design this type of posters, and also these are excellent for beginners. So with this, let's start today's video. First off, open Photoshop and create an artboard. Change these from millimeters to pixels. Make it 1080 for width and 1350 for height. Set the resolution to 72 and enable the artboards. And we don't need to change the color profile, so select Don't Color Manage, then click on Create. This will create the artboard. So if you see on the left side, this is the toolbar. From that, click on T icon or press T on the keyboard for shortcut. Then type something. So let me write the text real quick. On the right side, you can see Properties panel. From here, you can adjust the text size and font. Here I am using Instrument Serif and graphic font. I will provide the font link in the description. On type options, you can change the text from small to capital, or you can adjust the kerning. Now align the text. Let's drag one part to left and rest to right side. Import your image, then go to options and click on threshold. Adjust the threshold. I already shared a video on how to use threshold efficiently and will share the link, so check it out. Now we need to apply a shape, so press U on keyboard or click on Shape tool and select the polygon shape. Then draw a polygon by holding the Shift key. Align it to center. You can smooth the edges like this. From the Properties panel, you can change the shape style. So from here you can copy my settings, and we don't need the stroke, so let's remove it. Increase the size of shape and then drag the image on top of it. Now we want to put this image onto the shape, so right click on the image layer, then click on create clipping mask. As you can see, the image background is white and it mixed with the artboard, so invert the image by pressing Ctrl I and then adjust the image. Again, I am adjusting the shape. You can still adjust it after clipping also, as we haven't rasterized it. So select the layers, then press Ctrl E to rasterize both the layers. Let's just say shape. Hold Alt, then drag to duplicate this layer like this. Adjust the shapes a bit and it is done. You can apply some paragraph or small text, or you can write your username, date and other details to make it looks professional. After that, simply align the text. You can see the design looks clean, so now I will add the textures above all the layers. From the blending option, choose what suits best for the design. In my case, multiply looks perfect. I will share the textures link in the description. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift T to merge all the layers. Then we need to apply a gradient map. I usually create gradient maps, textures and other graphic assets which you can find it on my graphics store, and most are completely free. All resource link in the description. After all done, again merge all the layers. Then go to Filter Noise. From here you can add grain to your design and you can adjust the noise strength. So let's make it 7. Then click OK. That's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. And you can check out my other design tutorials which you can see on the screen. Have a nice day.